You might not know this, but chiropractic adjustments might just help your migraines. When treating patients with migraines, it's really important to understand that migraines are incredibly complex. So oftentimes we're not treating the migraine itself, we're treating the triggers to migraine, which often can be really tight neck muscles and really tight joints in the back of your neck, all the way into the middle of your back, which when they're inflamed can often irritate the nerves going up, which can be a trigger to many people's migraines. And this is something that chiropractic adjustments and spinal manipulation can often have a nice effect with. Now, it's not for everyone, and you definitely find patients. Chiropractic care can help to relieve some of the triggers to migraines, that being tight muscles in the neck and mid-back, poor breathing patterns, poor jaw movement patterns, and tight joints in and around the neck and the head in general. By mobilizing this and removing these triggers, often it can help minimize patients' episodes of migraine and also the severity when they get it. Now, it's very important. There's not one size fits all with migraines. It's incredibly complex, and so it's important that you have a multi-team approach when treating someone with migraines. Oftentimes, I give patients an exercise to do with their partners at home, involving using some trigger points up between their shoulder blades and all the way up into the neck, and also in the front of their shoulders. These trigger point releases can often help patients, particularly when they're at their worst, just to relax the muscles and thereby not fully treating the migraine, but helping to alleviate the muscle stress and pain around the head and neck area. Drop me a follow for more tips.